I found an advertisement with a boat for free. Would you take this old rotten boat home for repair and driving? I took it home, some kilometers overnight. See what happens. It is a half-a-ton steelboat from Germany, and the owner said everything is great, you need only a bit paint. This wasn't right. Everything in the upper body of the boat was rotten and corroded. The steel sheets on the boat were doubled, but see, between the steel sheets were water, out of the water. Because of this, I decided to weld new steel sheets onto the boat body, but first I need to blast the rust off the boat with sandblasting. Now you see the naked truth. Everywhere holes on the upper body of the boat. Let's begin the welding process. It was a great experience to weld these metal sheets on the sandblasted surface. In this way I repaired the corroded area of the body. After this step I put some black underwater paint on the upper boat body. Now turning the boat around and repairing the inner area of the corroded metal sheets. Again on the inner body, some holes and some bad corroded areas. Cutting them out and welding new metal sheets into them. But now it's not as nice as on the sandblasted area. The welding process is bad. Here are some details of my work. Enough metal and welding work now. The boat is ready for paint. Last step. Ready for takeoff. I look forward now to test the boat on the water. For this step I put my 20 horsepower outboard motor on the boat and drove it to the big river RHEIN here. It drives great and it was a nice experience to repair this boat for me. Like my channel and share my video.